here we go. This is the RKR65. What the heck? And this keyboard was around like $60, I believe. And in this video, we're gonna be testing and reviewing it. And yeah, so I am a little sick, so if you're wondering why I sound like this is why. So obviously, comes with a keyboard. Here is the colorway we have gotten. We'll do a sound test here in a little bit. Actually cannot wait. Comes with the end key. I'm not exactly sure where this goes, but it's a very compact keyboard, very light. Also comes with a cable, switches. These are switches. I'm not sure what they're called. They're like creamy switches or something. I think this is something for the knob. I'm not exactly sure. And then, obviously, the keycap and switch holder. So, oh wow. Holy crap. Okay, I don't know if you could hear this. Wow, that is amazing. And also, make sure to stay tuned in the video because I'm also going to be trying out some Bed Wars matches with my friend in it. But yeah, these keycaps are exactly what I wanted. And then we'll plug this in a second. It is going to have RGB. I'm not sure what color I do because, and honestly, it's just like brown and gray. I'm not sure what would look good. But let me go ahead and as you can see, right here's the switch. Creamy. I think that might be tactile. It is pretty low profile though. I didn't really notice that, but it is low profile. But yeah, very nice, very nice. Definitely would recommend this. I mean, so far it's very nice. I'm not sure gameplay wise though, but very nice. I'm gonna do a cool little transition so you guys can see when it's set up. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, now I have the keyboard set up. As you can see, it actually has like good RGB, but like, you know, it kind of looks weird with like the brown and the black, so I'll probably find out some type of color to go with this. But now we're gonna go ahead and get into the gameplay, so see you guys there. Quick in this match.
You're sure like everybody sucks?
Yeah. Let me hit this 1v2 real quick.
Wait, what the heck was that?
Oh my god, I just cooked one of them here.
Really, dude? Yeah.